Hello, this is Leo from Work Forward, and I would like to demo you Microsoft Teams Conference Connect. So when you just install it, you will end up in Conference Administration. You need to navigate to Configuration, Microsoft Teams. There, as you begin, there are some helpful onboarding steps you can do, like follow documentation, view video, set up your first rule, or help a colleague. So we will start with a simple rule. I'll close this one, where you basically select which events you want to be notified about. For example, page created, updated, calendar events, or new questions and question answers, or comment created in any space, or it can be any particular space. Then we will have filters, for example, for our user filter, but we don't care about other users. For example, we don't want to have notifications when Mia or John do any of these events. However, we can also use groups to exclude or include actors or authors of particular comments. For example, you can say we don't want to get notified from events from users who are in those particular groups. And then the next step is to create a webhook URL which you want to use. Notify. This step is done in Microsoft Teams. Here we will come and pick a channel we want to receive notifications in. We'll go to channel, menu, and connectors. There we will search for incoming webhook. As you see, it's the first one. We can name this as you wish. I usually name it Confluence. You can upload an image, a logo of this channel, and click create, so it will be more visually appealing. And here's the URL which you should use. So you click done, close. So it says Leo has tapped a connection named Confluence. So now we can use it as a destination for our kind of hook. Power notifications. We pasted it. We can click text connection. This for the first time to see that network is working between Confluence and Microsoft Teams. As the next step would be to name this rule. We can call it demo rule 1. So we are done. We have this rule. Now we, as you remember, we did it from a user behalf. We'll open as this user Confluence, pick a page, and comment the page. Click save, and this should result in a notification in the channel just set up. If, for example, you click on this comment, it will open your default browser. For example, me as an admin, and focus on this comment. The next step, we want to be able to filter based on the page, parent page, sorry. So for example, here we have a parent page filter. So we will go to a particular page and create a sub page here. So as you see, interesting knowledge base is a child of this page, which is called let's edit this page. So it has page ID, we copy it and we insert it in parent page ID filter and save it. So now we should not, as you see, we had notifications that we have created the page. Now, as you remember, we don't have page comment created events. Whenever we create, for example, a totally other random page which does not suffice our filter, for example, For example, this page, so we should not receive any notifications. You see still this page created. However, now if we make a comment in the child page, so we do expect this notification to be received in the channel, and as you see, it's here. So it means our parent page and user filters work. As a quick demo, what we can do here is to filter based on not parent page anymore, but based on labels. For example, we could say if there is a label demo, and let's say if we want to match any label, at this stage is not important. So if it's label demo, I want to add a notification. So let's mark some of our pages as label demo. We put here a label called demo, close and save. And now let's try to have a comment. So we did have update with the label. Now let's say we want to receive a comment only from pages with the label demo. So here is our comment, comment 1. As you see is here. If we go to any other page without a label demo, of course we should not receive a comment. Comment 2. And it's not here. And the last step I want to show you is that user, as our user, he is space admin, he can do configurations by himself or herself. So if he goes to space configuration integrations, so you see there is integrations on Microsoft Teams. It looks very similar, except when user starts from here, there is no space filter. So, but otherwise it's the same. It's only limited to the space. Thank you very much.